Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to install Free Fire in low-end PC or laptop. But there are some minimum specifications I am showing on screen. Dash plus. Now open your browser you use and search for Mumu Player. Now click on the first website. Enable VT, virtualization technology, to get smooth performance. Open the installer. Wait for a while to run the installer. To run the game, you have to download this emulator. The total files will be of 800 MB. My installer is showing installed because I have already downloaded. Now search for Mumu Player and wait. Now click on the three dots and click on Device Settings and do the settings I have done. Smart Memory Optimization. This feature is for low-end PC, which reduces CPU, RAM, and GPU usage. Today's like aim is 5 likes. Click on the play button and wait to open. Now your Android emulator is open, and now you can install Free Fire, but you have to play Free Fire on the lowest graphics possible.